Here are the state of the floors so far. All they've done is remove the old flooring before the new flooring can come in. These two were way too heavy for me to move out, so they just kind of like worked around them. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. Progress, progress. Wow, thank you. Okay, thank you. Wow, I'm sweaty. All right, I just finished moving some stuff upstairs, trying to make things a little easier so that they can finish the floors today. I'm so excited. But in the meantime, I have a hair appointment, so I'm gonna go get a haircut, and I've scheduled myself and Bachi to get a haircut at the same time because our salons are in the same area, so it's the most convenient way to do it that way. All right, let's go. Bachi and I are back home with our fresh cuts. Here's your little bear. Show them your haircut. You're so handsome. You can see again. Yay! So it took about an hour for my haircut. It took about an hour and a half for his haircut. And then it took us another hour to get back home because traffic was bad because of the rain. So I asked them to style my hair a little bit because I'm actually attending a wedding tomorrow. So this way I'm all ready. All I have to do is do my makeup and I'm ready to go. Floor update. This vlog is basically all about my new floors. They are almost completely done except for this area. They had to stop working yesterday because we found out that this door is actually crooked, especially on this end. So I think it's crooked from the water damage, I'm assuming. So when you open it, there's not enough floor space here, so somebody needs to like level out the door so that it doesn't get stuck when it swings in. But after that, it's just this last panel, the baseboards, and I can move back in. So something that I've always wanted to do, but I don't know how feasible it is I'd like to remove this shelf, or at the very least, make this half a little smaller here, just so like you can have the full window edge and then the curtain can go all the way to the end there. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but that's something I need to talk to the carpenter who's coming to fix the door about. Makeup's done, all set for the wedding. What do you guys think? There was a time when I was so confident with my makeup skills that I would just do it on my own anytime there was an event, but it's been so long that I just feel like I don't know what I'm doing anymore. But it's fun. It's fun to play and kind of figure it out. I don't know how much of the wedding I'll be vlogging, maybe just a few snippets here and there, but because it is a family event and I don't know how comfortable they would be with me sticking a camera in their faces.
Welcome to another day of life.
I can talk to the camera now that everybody's gone. So a little bit of an update. Like I said, I needed to have the door fixed so that it would close properly there on the floor. And I had these shelves behind me removed, which I was kind of like on the fence about. I wasn't I was kind of on the fence about it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to have it done because it just seemed like a lot of work, and I don't know. But then they told me that they would have to repaint this entire room anyway, since they had to remove the baseboards to put in the new flooring. So I figured if you're gonna have to repaint anyway, and the only thing that's stopping me from taking out those shelves are the fact that you have to repaint that wall afterwards. So I just decided to go for it, and I'm so happy I did, because look at what a difference that makes. I don't know if you can tell, but to me, it just makes the room feel so much more spacious and open. Oh wow, I am so bad at like angling this camera without a tripod. Anyway, to me, it just makes this whole room feel more spacious and open. I really did feel like those shelves were placed too low, which made the entire room look a lot smaller and lower than it actually was. I don't know, I'm happy. I think I made a good decision. So I have a little bit of a problem. I asked my friend if she wanted to do like a little bit of a journaling session with me. So we were gonna go to a coffee shop and then just kind of hang out and journal, have fun. And I realized I packed away my journal together with all my journaling supplies when I cleaned up this room. So now I have to go find them. I'm pretty sure they're somewhere in here. I'm pretty sure they're somewhere inside that giant Tupperware over there. All my scrapbooking papers and things are in here. So I'll set these aside and pick a few pieces from here later. Okay, where did I put my journal? Ah, there you are. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Got it! That's what I. Ooh, that's so cute. How long did that take?
No, it's just a sticker. I just love it.
No, like the tracing.
Ah, yeah, probably. Kasi washi tape shop, but she's so good at it. I don't get why it's so neat. Like when she, is this one ba yan with a cutter?
Ako saan si
I can't
Shape
see.
Studio? I'll borrow one.
Oh, okay.
Katong si Mochi Mojo, she always cuts around. It's just at the window. Yay! Thank you. Ifang. Back home, got my ifang. So my favorite kind of tea is Earl Grey, and we recently started carrying Earl Grey milk tea, so I'm really excited to try it out. And another new sinker that we had, another new add-on, is the aloe vera jelly add-on. I don't know if you can see that. Ta-da! Anyway, I've never tried it. I thought it sounded interesting, so I thought I would check it out. I love ordering at our Axis Escario branch because I can just call or text them with my order, then basically drive through and tell them to come meet me in the parking lot. So it's kind of like having a drive-through. And there's like a 30-minute grace period in parking, so I don't even have to worry about that. Very convenient. It's good. I like it. I got an aloe vera. It's good. It's like chewy and kind of sweet with like a really mild aloe vera flavor. I like it. Meanwhile, here's an update. Floors are done. Do you like it, Pachi? I like it. I think they did a really good job. So the floors are done, and hopefully in a week's time, I'll be able to move back in once they've repainted the room. Really hoping that doesn't take too long. I don't know what it is, but when I don't have access to a space to create, like when I don't have access to my studio, that's when I get all these ideas about stuff that I want to make or stuff that I want to try out. So I'm really excited to get back in there and get back to work. Right now, I'm probably just going to edit the vlog that you're watching for the rest of the afternoon, and then I'm gonna go pick up my friend and head to a Pilates class. And then we're gonna grab dinner and watch the new Spider-Man, which I am so excited about. When the first Spider-Man Into the Multiverse movie came out, I really enjoyed that movie, so I'm really hoping this second one lives up to the hype.